Hello students, this is your Shiva and you are watching Shiva's Max Library. So in this class we are going to see the question number 2 of exercise set 1.2, and in this question, if the bathroom door has a hinge at B1 open into the bedroom, will it hit the wardrobe? Are there any changes would you suggest if the door is made wider? Okay, so here two questions are there. In the first question, what they are saying is at the point B1, okay, where the bathroom door is located. Actually, bathroom door is located at this point. See here, this is our B1 point, okay, and this is our B2 point. So B1, B2 are the two ends of the bathroom door. So this is our bathroom door where your hinge is located at B1, which means if I open the bathroom door, it will comes like this. Okay, so the question is, once I open this bathroom door, will it hit this wardrobe or not? That is the first question. So to identify whether it will hit or not, what we are supposed to do is we are going to compare the width of the bathroom door with the length between the wall and the wardrobe. Okay, so we know the method to find the width of the bathroom door. Okay, so the first one, we are going to find the width of the bathroom door by assuming that the two coordinates of the bathroom door ends. So width of the door is equals to, what are the 2 points here? One is 1.5 and another one is 4, so it should be 4 minus 1.5, so which is going to be 2.5 units or 2.5 centimeter here. Okay, so the next question is the distance between this B1 point and the wardrobe, otherwise the distance between the wall and the wardrobe. So here it's in the point 0 and wardrobe is located at the point 3 comma 0. So when you are finding the width or distance between the wall and wardrobe is equals to 3 minus 0, which is equals to 3 centimeter. So when I compare the distance between the wall and wardrobe with width of the bathroom door, yes, the distance is greater than width. So once I open this bathroom door, it won't hit the wardrobe because wardrobe is located 3 centimeter from the wall and the bathroom door is located at a distance of 2 centimeter from the wall. So it won't hit since 3 is greater than 2.5. This implies it will not hit the wardrobe. Okay, and in the next question, are there any changes you would suggest if the door is made wider? Yes, there will be a slight change that we need to make because here the width of the bathroom door is 2.5. Suppose if they increase the width of the bathroom door as 3, definitely it will hit here. If it is more than 3 also, we will have the similar issue. In those cases, this wardrobe has to be moved somewhere. And one more problem here is this D1 R1 is the door for Ryan's room. So we are not supposed to move it on the right hand side. So the best way is to place this wardrobe somewhere on the right side of our wall. So the suggestion that you can made for moving this wardrobe is we can replace the wardrobe to the right wall. Okay, so this is the suggestion that we can give for this question. Okay, so let's see in the next problem.